Now let's walk through the steps to create and run your first Java program using Visual Studio Code. First, we'll create a new file and name it HelloWorld.java and save it to anywhere you like. Next, type the word class, and you'll see that VS Code automatically suggests public class Hello World. Just press Enter to accept it. In Java, the file name must match the class name. After the class name, you'll also see a pair of curly braces. Everything inside these braces belongs to the class. Then, simply type main, and VS Code will autocomplete the standard Java main method for you. Press Enter again to insert it. Just like with the class, the method is also followed by a pair of curly braces. Any code we want to run will go inside these braces. Inside the main method, we want to print a message, so we use the line System.out.println, Hello World. In Java, every statement must end with a semicolon. Without it, the code won't compile. As you can see, everything becomes much easier thanks to the helpful features provided by VS Code and the Java extension pack. Finally, to run the program, just click the Run button in the top right corner and watch the output appear in the terminal at the bottom of the screen. Congratulations on writing your first Java program. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for links, documentation, and source code.